In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize WooCommerce products SEO using the Yoast free WordPress plugin. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just starting out, enhancing your product pages for search engines is crucial to attract more visitors and ultimately boost your sales. So, let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is your starting point for accessing your website, and it provides everything you need to build and manage your online presence. Once there, locate the login option at the top right and click on it. Input your login details, and this will take you to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the control center for your website, where you manage posts, pages, and especially plugins like Yoast SEO. Now that you're in the dashboard, it's time to navigate to the Yoast SEO settings. To do this, find the Plugins Keys section from the menu on the left-hand side of the page. Once there, locate Yoast SEO. It's a powerful tool designed to help optimize your site's SEO effortlessly. Click on Yoast SEO to access the settings. Within the Yoast SEO section, you'll find a settings link. This is where all the magic happens. Click on it and you'll be directed to an array of features crafted to enhance the SEO aspects of your website. Focus on the Site Features section, as it includes tools specifically built to refine your site's search engine optimization. Begin by selecting SEO Analysis. This feature provides insights into how well your content is optimized for search engines, offering suggestions and highlighting areas for improvement. Ensure you pay close attention to any recommendations provided here, as improving upon these can significantly enhance your page rankings. Next, you'll move on to the readability analysis. This is a vital aspect because while it's important to optimize for search engines, your content must remain accessible and engaging for human readers. This tool analyzes your text to ensure it's clear and comprehensible, enhancing user experience and keeping them on your site longer. Finally, let's turn our attention to cornerstone content. This feature allows you to identify the most important articles on your website, which can be highlighted as such to both readers and search engines. Identifying cornerstone content helps search engines understand the structure of your site, enhancing how your pages are indexed. In conclusion, by enabling these features and regularly reviewing the analyses provided, you'll be on the right track to ensuring your WooCommerce products are optimized for SEO. Regular updates and refinements based on Yoast's recommendations can really help boost your site's visibility in search results. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer for you. Happy optimizing!